Have you noticed something new inside ChatGPT called thinking? It looks simple, but it actually changes how ChatGPT answers your questions. And here's the surprising part. Even free users can now use it. So what is it? Where do you find it? And when should you actually use it? Let's break it down step by step in the simplest way possible. First, let me show you where this feature is. Open ChatGPT on your phone. Now look at the message box area. You'll see a plus icon. Tap on that. Inside this menu, you should see an option called Thinking. If you don't see it yet, don't worry. It's rolling out gradually. Once you tap it, your next message will use thinking mode instead of a normal reply. So what exactly is GPT 5.4 Mini? Think of it like a smarter but slightly slower mode inside ChatGPT. Normal replies are fast, almost instant. But thinking mode takes a bit more time because it's working through your question step by step. It's designed for more accurate answers, better reasoning multi-step problems. So instead of giving you a quick guess, it actually thinks before answering. Now let's talk about free users. Before, advanced AI responses were mostly limited to paid plans, but now free users can access thinking mode, use it for more complex questions, get better structured answers. There might be limits per day depending on usage, so it's best to use it when it really matters, not for every small question. So when should you actually use thinking? Here are the best use cases. 1. Problem solving. For example, fixing phone issues, errors, or troubleshooting steps. 2. Planning, like creating a study plan, travel plan, or content strategy. 3. Comparing options, like choosing between two phones or apps. Basically, if your question needs logic or structure, use thinking. Now yes, thinking mode is slower. Sometimes it takes a few extra seconds. But here's when it's worth it. When accuracy matters, when the task is complex, when you don't want a rushed answer, but don't use thinking for everything. Here's when normal replies are better. Simple questions, quick facts, casual chatting, short replies. For example, what's the weather? Write a short caption. Thinking mode would just slow you down here. So use it smartly, not all the time. Let me give you 3 real examples you can try today. Example 1. My phone keeps restarting after update. Fix step by step. Example 2. Create a 7-day study plan for exams. Example 3. Compare Android versus iPhone for long-term use. Try these with thinking mode, and you'll immediately see the difference. Let's imagine you ask a normal question. ChatGPT gives a fast answer, short and simple. Now switch on thinking mode. You'll notice more detailed steps, better explanation, cleaner structure. It feels like the AI is actually working through the problem, not just replying. Here's a mistake many people make. They turn on thinking and use it for everything. That's not the right way. Instead, use normal mode for speed. Use thinking mode for depth. This balance will save you time and give better results. Here are some quick tips. Be clear with your question. Ask for step-by-step answers. Use thinking for important tasks only. Combine it with follow-up questions. The better your prompt, the better thinking mode works. So should you use thinking mode? Yes, but only when it actually helps. It's not about replacing normal replies. It's about using the right tool at the right time. Try it today from the plus menu and test it with a real problem. And if this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the next video for more ChatGPT tips.